the cheers, the magic, all your fears, they go. And then, oh, then, you stay forever.
I couldn't.
Do not deny Fusilli his greatest pleasure, to see the stage come alive.
Oh, my.
Now you say the line.
How? Now? Brown cow.
That stinks!
Is all that applause for me?
All for you.
But where is...
The audience is always here. Is always cheering for you.
When I was a girl, I did juggle a little.
Muriel, you're making a dang fool of yourself! Oh!
You're a natural. I, the great Fusilli, invite you, Eustace and Muriel, to join my magic stage. You tour the world.
What's in it for us?
You be rich. Hey, give me your autograph, huh? This is your dressing room. Makeup,
Ah!
costumes,
Oh!
and your script. Yes! The audience, she's love you. You feel the magic, no?
Mm-hmm.
And once you feel the magic, you no wanna leave the stage. And then you no wanna leave Fusilli. Ever. Ah, we're ready for the next scene. You be in this too. Everybody, places on the stage. The show, she's about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, the great Fusilli brings for your entertainment pleasure a simple family scene starring Eustace, Muriel, and the cute little doggy.
Stupid dog! Booga booga booga!
For Fusilli, everybody play a part and make Fusilli